Hello guys, I'm going to take you through how you can install Google Forms on your computer or laptop. Now what we want to do is we want to head over to Google Chrome. Now here I am in Google Chrome. Now if you don't have Google Chrome, I already have a video on my channel on how to install Google Chrome. You can check it out and install it. Now once you have installed your Google Chrome, you want to log into your Google account where you want to access your Google Form from. Now I've already logged into my Google account already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my Google Apps and I'm going to look for Forms, which I already have here. Now you can also search for Forms. So once you come here, search for Forms directly, you see Google Forms here. You can click on this directly to take you to Forms. So same way, any way work. Now you see I'm inside my Google Form directly here. So now what you want to do is once you're inside your Google Forms, you want to head over to your three dots here on your Chrome browser. There's some three dots here. Once you click on that three dots, you are going to scroll and look for something we call Install Pages app. So this is where you get it. If you scroll down, you come to Cast, Save and Share. If you come to Cast, Save and Share, once you hover on it, you see another page that pops up. Now on that page, you are going to see Install Pages app. This is exactly what you are looking for. Install Pages app. Remember, you click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you look for Cast, Save and Share. Then you click on Install Page as app. So when you click on the Install Page as app, it's going to prompt you if you want to install this page as app. So yes, you want to go ahead and click on Install. Now once you click on Install, your Google Forms has been installed for you successfully. So I'm going to close everything and see something. Now once you close it, you have your Google Forms installed directly on your desktop and also your taskbar. You can access it anytime. So let's say I double click on this now. You see it takes me directly to my Google Forms page where I can create a new form, edit any form I want to edit from here. So easy. This is how we install Google Forms onto our PC or laptop. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and also draw a comment for me. If you also have any question, don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section and I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching this video.